we are going to solve following simultaneous equation step by step. This video I am trying to solve at least 2 math. Let's get started. So this video number 1. Here is y equals to 2x minus 1 and x plus 2y equals to 8. First we can leveling this one. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So in equation y equals to 2x minus 1 we can put in equation 2. So this case we can write y equals to 2x minus 1, we will put into equation 2, right? So here is x plus 2y equals to 8, and here is y equals to 2x minus 1. So this case we can write x plus 2, and here is 2x minus 1 and equals to 8. Okay, so now we will simplify. Here is a x plus 2 times 2 is a 4, so 4x minus 2 equals to 8, and then x plus 4x, it will be 5x. Now we will add both sides by 2, so this case minus 2 and plus 2, it will be out, and here is a plus 2. So we can write here is 10. Now we will divide both sides by 5, so x equals to 10 divide 5, it means 2. So we already get the value of x, which is 2. Now any equation, either 1 or 2, we will put this x equals to 2, that equation. So we can write in equation 1 we put x equals to 2. So here is a y equals to 2x minus 1, then 2 times x means 2, and then minus 1. So 2 times 2 is a 4, then minus 1, it means 3. So finally we get x and y equals to x is a 2 and y is a 3. So number one done. Okay, so my plan, at least 2 math we will finish each video. Okay, so number 2. So same thing, y equals to 3 minus 2x, we can leveling, this one is equation 1, and 3x minus 3y equals to 0, this is equation 2. So we can, this y equals to 3 minus 2x, substitute to equation 2. So we can write in equation 2 we put y equals to 3 minus 2x, right? So here is this equation 2, 3x minus 3y equals to 0. Now 3x minus, and here is a 3, and against or substitute this y by 3 minus 2x and equals to 0. Now it's a simple format of this linear equation. 3x minus 3 times 3 is a 9, and this minus and this minus, it will be plus, and 3 times 2 is a 6, x equals to 0. Now this 3x and this 6x, it will be 9x, and we will add both sides by 9, so this 9 will be out, equals to this one become plus 9, and now we will divide both sides by 9, so x equals to 9 by 9, it will be 1, so we can say x equals to 1. Okay, now this x equals to 1 we will put equation 1. So in equation 1 we put x equals to 1. It means y equals to 3 minus 2x, then 3 minus 2 times, against x we can write 1, then 3 minus 2 times 1 is a 2, and finally 3 minus 2 is a 1. So it's a very simple format. So we can say, or our answer will be x and y equals to 1 and 1. Very simple. So question 1 and 2 done. Next video we will try to solve 2 more math. Till then, take care, keep practice. Please note that this is part 5 of simultaneous equation. Part 4 up to 1 to 4 you will get in the playlist. Thank you.